Today we're gonna change the brake pads in Daddy's Tundra.
There you go.
First thing we need to do is loosen the lug nuts. So now we're gonna jack up the truck.
Now my brother's gonna take the wheel off.
First thing we're gonna do is remove this clip and this clip.
Now we're gonna pull these two retainers out.
All right. Now we're going to use our C-clamp to push the brake pad back into the caliper so we can get our pistons back up in there.
Now we need to pull the old brake pads out.
Well, it looks like we barely caught this one just in time. Look at the difference between the old worn out one and the brand new one. Lots of life left in that one.
We put the new pads in, now you just need to put it back the way we got it out.
Now that the brakes are back, now we just gotta put the tire on. Now that we got the wheel back on, do the same thing on the other side and then you're done.
When you're done, you're gonna have a soft brake pedal. You keep pressing it until you have a firm pedal, then you're done. And that's how you change the brake pads.
On a Toyota Tundra.